Guys, someone was a Joseph Reese's Puff. Oh, what's going on there? Explain to me. You guys see it just up there? That's Batman. You guys see it up there? When I go into this video, go to the video to zoom. Out there's fireworks. Guess why? No. Before I go into this video, what are the videos to see? Okay, we're going to do the video now, anyways. So I have all these, and this needs to be moved. So I'm going to move this. I can hear. And it was the Taylor Swift, the Tortured Poets Department. It's going crazy out there anyways, because I want to change it, because I have this to add to my Cadbury's collection. This is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Winter Wonderland. Now I need to move some of these actually. I'm going to move some of these. Just take a sec, guys. I'm going to move some of these. I'm going to move some of these because we've got a new wall. And this is the chocolate bar wall. This is the Dairy Milk wall. Okay, just a second. So the phrase that I got out there is suspiciously weird. We need some more blue tack. So for right now, I'm going to figure this all out. Just a second. I'm going to figure it all out. No, get out. That bears a crap. I'm going to figure it out here because I need to have this set. You know what? I'm going to have to put some blue tack. It's getting a bit hot in here. I just took my t-shirt off for no reason. No reason. Wait, he's got... What is going on? He's got... Tell me why someone forgot to put another one on there. Wait! In the wide, wide world, has this gone missing? This is so annoying. You have to get a little piece of that. See what? I'll take half of the piece. But those fireworks be fireworking. Is this singing? But so guys, my fingers are a bit. Get on. So it looks like I can't get on the piece of crap. So I'm gonna ask right now. Right, stay still. We could talk about anything. You want anything? Mate. Right, so I need a t-shirt. You. God. So I'm gonna go downstairs, and maybe I can record the fireworks down there if they let me. Because I really want to record. Because I've recorded some downstairs. Actually, no, that's good. I need to get some blue tack for this because I need this. Let me bring that with me. So this with me because I need this because this isn't live in and it's getting dark. Watch up there and see. Turn that. Okay, I'm gonna notice everything else for some. Is that really that blue tag? Hello? I need some blue tack. This is blue tack. This needs blue tack. It's quite outside. Quite outside. How cool this is, eh? Hello? Beep. This is what I'm using because I need this pack right here. This pack. Right here. Get up there. Jesus Christ. See what we've got now? You know it's packed on me. I like to. Okay, I'm gonna go. Like that big banner. I'm waiting for this. Exactly. Jesus. Going on. Come on. I'm stuck here. Stuck with it. Done. Can you see the blue tack? What? Huh? I need some blue tack. We're coming upstairs when you find some, okay? Kerry? Kerry? Can you go upstairs when you find some? Right. So this needs to go. Stay in here, right now. I'm ready. Right. So let's try this. Also, it's as well. See this? Now it says there. Just there. Such bad with me. Anyways, there, just there. Oh. If you guys come, it says, Jesus Christ, milk and white chocolate in the ship in a Christmas tree. Snapped bar. Come in.
You don't know, that's all I could find.
I just need it because you know I've got that wall just there.
Yeah.
Those fireworks are now giving me anxiety.
Yeah, make you a bit. You alright?
Yeah. Just a bit there because my heart's getting.
Will you just relax a bit? It is quite hanging out there, Danny. You alright? I'm about if you need me. Okay?
Right. What have they done to you, my friend? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. What have they done to you, my friend? Oh!
Darn the best, really.
Right, Cynthia. Stop! One blue tack? Come on, come on! We can talk this through! Come on, Mom! There's a much behind. Oh, there it is. Yes. I'm not doing the. If you're gonna do it, if you do anything, you get lost, really. So, the fireworks are okay. The way they go off is good. You don't need us, guys. Anyways. Let's take two on this. Let's look at please be okay. Nah, you gotta be joking, please. But I don't. These have happened before, and these are getting worse now. But, Arthur, please. Someone was so jealous of Reese's Puff, weren't they? Not me. Wait, just for God fucking sake! Get the piece of shit on. You know how long this takes. For fuck's sake! No, I'm done. No, get the piece of shit on. I'm asking you one question. Can you get up? No. Stay. Stay! I said fucking... This ain't great, guys. He's taking the shit. Right, I'm honestly getting paid off of this now. I don't fucking understand. If you've got two ears, listen. I'm trying to get on. Get on. Guys, this is being a pain in the ass. I'm not even joking. I don't know what I say. It's my channel. I get sweat. I want to or not. This might be the most bad I've done in a video. Because for some reason, one fucking... Today's going to be the best day of my bloody life. Because for some reason, I told you once before. God fucking sake. Guys, I'm not just getting mad this now. At least I'm not on, with... there was a guy called Deacon, and if he would have heard me do this, because he would have been, no. There was a... Right, I'm looking my own tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is this? Right. It's okay. Yeah, we could talk everything, for fuck's sake, man. I'm trying to say something and it won't. Like, it won't let me do it. These fireworks going off the bad. Right, there, happy? Don't be nice, happy. Let me call it. It was, are you blind or fucking stupid something? Guys, it's really cramped. I don't want to lose anything. So, that being said, I'm going to do that. Right, guys, I know it might be a longer, 17 minutes, I know it might be a long video, but as soon as I heard the fire action, I thought, oh my god, this is going to have to be... This might be the longest video, because this is fucking holding it up. Right, I'm doing it one more time. So, the figure bars, you big bars, you get the fucking piece of shit on. Are you fucking blind or something? Have you got no eyes at all? Yes, you have. You got no eyes at all. Just let me do this. We can talk about this. Fucking hell. Yeah, I can't. Guys, I can't. Once in my life, I'm good. I can't go back to this video, especially because I've opened it. Are you fucking blind or something? Some of these are not just working. Some of these are being a pain in the ass. There. I said, fucking there. Are you? Give me that, anyways. Talking about a bloody revolution. This is taking the pee. Right. So there we go. There, and there. There, and there. There? Are you? I've got enough of this now. No. You're trying to do it so I make it longer, and I don't get to watch any videos long. I can read your mind. I can read this. Man. You got two? You got none. Guys. Oh, you piece of... At least I am not at the fireworks. Well, the thought... Don't come because it'll be bad for you because you hate fireworks. And now I can't do anything. I can't do any pro stuff obviously there, but I'm not going out. So if you guys watching this on the 5th of November, you're a scared cat. I am. You just see how many times I've jumped on this video. Please, there's got to be. Where is it? Found the other piece. That's it. That's the question of where the other piece was. Wait. If you're ready for the new design of my tin, it's there. Wait, look. Wait, are you fucking blinded by the lights or something? Get the piece of shit on. Do you know how long this took me to do? Not long in the video, but this is the new design of my Cadbury's full collection. This one, I got let off with that one since I won. So. These are all. This one, the one down there is my favourite. That one, top one is that. Actually, I'm just gonna do something. I had an idea. It's a tin, and this video might take it. And this video is going to So basically, I don't want this one on top. I have an idea. Guys, I recorded the first video, but the first video was not longer than this. Stay there. Look. Right, so the bigger one. If you explain why I didn't go out, it's because of all those fireworks. And luckily, I said no to the fireworks. You know the drill, right? So, not a bit of cheese is not my. Right, we got a problem. There is something there. You're no way. The sticker's got actually back. Oh no. Really? Not one, not just two, not just three. Actually, just three itself. Guys, I do not understand 23. This might be a longer time to make because the more Hey, I'm getting so sick of this now. I don't understand. I say, get on. Some of these I had to get on. Look. Hey, you listen to me for once in your life. But this one. Except the bigger one, this bigger one, which is the most biggest one and the most cheap. It's like $3.99, which is, I know it's quite expensive to you, but chocolate bars will get more, and I mean more expensive as the day goes on. As the days goes on, not the day goes on, but as the days goes on. Because these limited edition packed, it's not about the chocolate. Well, it is about the chocolate because you get chocolate there. But I discovered that there's some in the world that are. Ugh! Like guys, oh, you piece of. I want this. This is a new shelf. This right here is it, guys. And this on my table. Guys,